泰兰塞拉本但是印度被骗的超 TV 所，因证印度政府本泰来来马提给落错，同时在1959年建立流氓政府，受到世界各国的注意。除了亚前的流氓土邦人，西亚到泰兰塞拉以外，也多年来许多西方游客也因走去游览，有到当地新作为板球场。泰兰塞拉变做印度有名的景点。土邦人也家家都是靠观光嘅相关产业来落实，不过也个物价引起，而能有冇土地物嘅也都财产权。泰兰塞拉嘅流氓土邦人是由打人工来落实，生活负担因来因大，故所许多人都想要离开，甚至想要多转去西藏。对西藏拉萨来到印度泰兰塞拉已经15年了嘅热时合作，是一对单亲妈妈，也每日睇得离泰学读书，为做到做每日嘅生活费，热时合作利用当年泰兰塞拉公房费，也算观光泰雅的人潮，买起个两嘅碰线买。
room ta phagaran deni ta room ta 상만념도 동배동정은 주스도
差不多新台币2万5，是也每月1年的生活费。对民众嘅桃园事业，让2000人嘅元的热时合作来讲，负担过大。尤其2010年，是得容纳2万3人嘅板球场做好过后，泰兰塞拉变做印度有名嘅观光胜地，物价也停论引起大家。
아니 별밤만 고치 아니 지단도 데를 조선도 침발이시데 별밤만 고다데 겨울미 상주라서 다가라는
唔過也認證觀光業眼旺，無天好工中也算荒漠嘅流氓土邦人，都倒被工作機會，無論擺攤呢、餐飲服務，也算做時裝服裝、做紀念品也都，加減是得落實。有位土邦組織也是得打幫安尼嘅機會，宣傳相關嘅人權議題。
Opportunity like these, you open galleries everywhere. Organizations. We have got big organizations like Students of Free Tibet, with fancy T-shirts, and they're saying, "Oh, the T-shirt is cheap. It's nice. What is it? It says Free Tibet. What is it?" And then they understand. We tell them who are making it. What are we using these products for?
因证1959年，印度政府虽然本流氓土邦人喺泰兰塞拉有好故事，不过不准人能有土地保嘅财产。不少土邦人抢市的漂泊嘅来生活，市中心设一间无商平嘅套房，一张年的屋税率要5000卢比，差唔多新台币2500，屋税率卡喺人大部分嘅数二倍。
Maybe after 2 years, after 3 years, it's going to up here. Maclut, it's all expensive, yeah. Small, in only one room there, it's maybe 5,000, 6,000 like that.
因为安尼，有位土邦人想要离开印度，甚至想要回到西藏。
想回去，
还是想回去哈？
没办法，小孩子读书嘛。
Tibetans not only to go back to Tibet, but many Tibetans go to other countries also. And one thing is that now is the only thing about the economic. That's the China is like people get quite good, it's compared to early time. So that's why many people, and also it's one case is maybe people very difficult to survive here. Other cases, if you suppose if you escape a problem without any parents, relatives, nothing, if you stay here very long, it's very hard,
按照中国政府虽然开放流氓土邦人回故乡，不过许多土邦人入少。转去过后，自家也算6家人，还开会受到政治迫害，也有人认为现时西藏的经济改好是假的。
但马代人其实现在只当了怕陪了中国人，拿了皮的，那当就不起，就没给的，我在家那点能够多了吧？以前呢，那很多别的刚刚吃的是了呢，但比马代人是
The Chinese give fish, not how to catch fish. That is, I feel that. So if really Chinese government help Tibetans, they must how to catch fish. So then maybe really Chinese help Tibetans. Otherwise, it's more difficult, and then people lost they lost culture, everything. Slowly.
泰兰塞拉也个流氓土邦人心灵同文化、历史故事的所在，也受到观光经济的冲击。 有位流氓土帮人一天回到市场，最里面还是无法度适应亚下嘅家乡生活，又再个离开中国，尽管态度还个唔体贴，按其一直变做许多流氓土帮人，为难实现嘅梦想。